Hey sis, what you doing?
Just frying up some eggs here.
Get me a cappuccino, thanks. Thanks, sis.
I added bathroom gel.
That's disgusting. How could you do this, sis?
Don't you start with me. I have a weapon.
No.
That's better.
Why did you stab me? Oh, wait a minute. Huh. It's fake. Huh.